guys, today we are making Kabsa biryani rice in Arabic style. So for this we already took all these ingredients. So please see this video till last. You will find how you will make Kabsa rice delicious. So I already took this onion, tomato, green chili whole. This all whole spices like bay leaves, cardamom, cloves, also this dried lemon. And in this recipe we use this size of spoon. For example, cumin powder half spoon, like this kapsa masala you can market available, this you can buy it from market. So 3 spoon this, and this half spoon turmeric powder, half spoon black pepper, salt, oil. And I already soak this this rice, basmati rice. So this already soak this basmati rice half hour before you can soak. Okay. And this ginger garlic paste I already make this, and also this tomato paste. So first we will make gravy like from our onion, ginger garlic paste, and I will make tomato puree also for this. Then I will show you step by step. So please see this video till last. You will find how you will make kapsa rice in delicious style. So please see this video till last. So let's start. So I already took my pan and I already put oil here. So we will heat, then this will be it. Then we will put our all spices here, and also first we will put our this all spices, then onion and ginger garlic paste and tomato puree, and then I will show you. So please see this video. So first this you have to have to little bit more heated. Okay. So our oil already heated. So now I am putting all spices. So you just put all the spices here and have to mix well. Okay. And now I already chopped our onion also. Now we are putting our onion also in it. So I already put onion also. So I have to cook well this. Okay. So this when this will be little bit golden brown, then add this ginger garlic paste. Okay. So our onion already little bit golden brown. So now add this ginger garlic paste. So add ginger garlic paste. Okay, little bit. Mix well. And during that period, I already make our tomato puree also in mixie. So we will put this also when this will be little bit more golden brown. So our onion already golden brown now. So now we add our this tomato puree. So you just add your tomato puree here. Okay, and mix well. Then we will add here our all spices. Okay, as I show you before, told you. So I already put all spices, and now have to mix well. Okay. And a little bit more this fire, and mix well, and this have to cook our spices. Okay, and then add this dried lemon also in it. Okay, so have to cook your masala. Okay, like this. When this is done, I will show you. Okay. And now I am adding little bit this tomato paste also. You just add little bit tomato paste. Okay. And mix well. Okay. So when this will done, I will show you. Okay. Now I add this whole green chili also on it. Like whole green chili you can add. Okay. Like this. So now little bit yogurt also add in this. Yogurt also little bit, not too much, only little just for taste. Okay, and mix well. So till maybe 10 minutes you have to cook in it. Then I will show you. Cover this and you can cook till 10 minutes. Okay, you can cover until after 10 minutes. I will show you. Okay. This time I already soak my rice, so after maybe this will be finished, so we will put when this boil will come in this, so we will put our rice in it. Okay. So we check now our this gravy. Maybe our gravy, wow, is ready already. Check the seasoning. Okay, So little bit put now this put more water, then boil will come, then we will put our rice. In a minute we check our this masala. Maybe this our masala is ready now, so you can put now rice. I already removed this water from this, and you can add this rice here. Okay, and check seasoning, salt and everything, and maybe 3-inch water should be 3-inch up from rice. Okay, I will show you. So I already checked the salt, and this water level should be like this. See this 3-inch up from the this rice. Okay, like this, only 3-inch, because till 15 minutes you can cook this. Cover 15 minutes, then we will show you. You can cover by aluminum foil like this. Okay, so I already covered with cling film, so till 15 minutes you have to cook this. So after I will show you, after 15 minutes this will be ready in steam. Okay, 15 minutes finished, so we check our rice also. So maybe we check, oh wow, this our rice also ready. So this our kapsa rice ready. So this is already done. So you can serve with chicken or whatever you can roast or fry it or whatever. So this is our this delicious kapsa rice is ready. So if you enjoy this video, please share to another also, and if you like this video, like and share to another also. Till then, have a nice day. Take care. Allah Hafiz.